back to my new video. Let me restart. Hey guys, welcome back to Galaxy Line 787SS. Make sure you hit that like button and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I make a video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So guys, today we're gonna be playing some parkour. Okay, so we're entering the game now. Oh, what's this house? So into the game. We're going into the game. We're going into the game. Come on, son. Now. Oh, that was not on time. Oh, I would actually like to skip, please. Sorry guys, taking a bit of a while. Come on, Sonny Jim. Parkour. Come on. Yeah, so here we go right now, guys. I'm just gonna click R. If you press R, guys, on your on your keyboard, well then it comes up with this light, and yeah. Yeet. So I'm gonna start off with the nice and clean thing. Oh damn, I missed it. Okay, let me just go back to spawn. I missed it. So this is me like right now. If you press spacebar while you're climbing, you can go like faster. Oh damn it. No, I did. I died. Okay. Where's my... There we go, my color's showing. Don't miss it this time. Yes. No! I missed it. Let me just try to get back. Guys, I've played this before and it's supposed to be good, but turns out I'm I'm trash. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, you're the exact same as me, son. Son, I didn't say anything. I don't want to say hi. That's some hurt. Damn. Oh, wow. Oh, it's one up here. What?
Not a drink.
No! Yeet. Yes, did it correctly that time. No! No! Oh, I'm dead. Where is it? Okay, guys. Oh, come on, mate. Don't you dare die. Yeah, this video is going too well. Quiet, you're trash too. Nope, missed it. No, missed it. Okay, got it. Okay, watch this, guys. I'm like a legend at this parkour. Damn it. Well, not that type of legend. Don't you dare do that to me. It does it. What? Well, the guy's getting eaten by a shark. Don't. Okay, guys. Myth. No, don't you. Oh. Okay, well thank you for spawning me here. This blue light helps me because my favorite color is blue. Well, I was supposed to be a legend at that parkour, but turns out I'm actually not a legend. Sad life for me, guys, because I really want to be a legend. I really want to be a legend. Yeah. Okay, mistake. No. Oh, 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 that must have hurt. Quite. Actually, must have hurt. Okay, no, I missed it. So I feel up there. Just to try to focus here, guys. Hiya. There we go. Just made it. Hiya. Oh no, I missed it. Damn it. Where was it? Oh, found it. I missed it again. Not.
I love it.
Da, 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 da. Another biscuit. See? Yeah, damn it. Dead. You guys didn't know this. See if we can try to get down here without hurting ourselves. Yep, there we go. If you guys come over here. Doesn't know this, but if you keep walking around, this side, it has to be on this side. Yep, well, you get points like that, huh? Right, yeah. It's cheap. Oh, damn. Okay, I'll stop doing it. Hold on. Few more. Okay. So. Dope, 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 dope. I'm dope. Oh, I'm dead, guys. Back to spawn. You're good. You good. You good. Come on. Bring me back to spawn, please. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna focus here. I'm actually gonna focus. Missed it. I should have the tutorial. Oh, I missed it. Oh, this didn't lose health. Don't you dare. Don't miss this time. You missed it. Because I'm gonna show the tour later. But, did you guys see that? I literally went through it. I went through it. That doesn't count, does it? Damn. Let's see again. There we go. Okay. Guess I'm supposed to be a legend at this. Be a legend at this. Let me just focus on this. Okay, I'm just gonna be a legend if I don't focus. Ooh, looks like I died there. I'm gonna try and get this on the first try. Please don't die, please. Help me, please. I want to be with you. Okay, guys, I'm actually gonna focus. So please don't, please don't distract me. Yeet. Can we get it? No. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. Oh. Hold on. There we go. Yes, guys, I made it. Because I'm going to show you the thing I was going to show you before. It is literally epic. Get a music line. Let's get my head back up there. There we go. Damn it, now I'm landed. Well, that should be easy parkour, but... God, there was so much health, but in health element. No, by the second element. Here we go, let's go. Ooh, don't fall. I'm not gonna do the jumping anymore. Yeah, come on. Okay. So, if you guys don't play this game, well, then you should play. It's fun, but a few days you might get bored of it and you might play different. And yeah, so this game is really fun. It's called Parkor, and yeah. And if you don't remember, if you just remember, if you press R, it comes up with the light, and I'll show you how to get the light. You can get red, green, this color. I think that's like whiteness. Crayon. That's you, Patrick. I'm on one of that. Yeah, look what 3, 2. Yeah, it's a UFO. You hear like the aliens? Looks so cool. What light? And this is UFO. If you go on the UFO and then you just like do some stuff on it, yeah, you basically get an achievement. Yeah. Tail. Oh, you. So yeah. There you go. I'm gonna go spawn. Okay, now I'm gonna do a bit of this parkour. And then meet you guys in a sec. Ooh. Okay. No, it wasn't really a sec. But legit. Okay. So I'll go in this corner up here. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna take my light. Okay, there it is. Okay, so you gotta go to settings. It says settings right up here, right there. Then you gotta scroll all the way down, and it says like this. So if you want this color right here, what I have, you gotta type in 400 in green, 621 in blue, and then if you want red, you go. I think you go to yeah. So if you want red, you gotta go 255. You go click anywhere here. Then see that comes up with red, just like that. Right, settings.